Understanding these misunderstandings helps illuminate the true value of mythology in contemporary culture and human thought. Mythology as fairy tales for children. Misconception. A widespread belief is that mythology is merely a collection of simple fairy tales designed for children's entertainment. Reality. In stark contrast, mythological tales are much more nuanced and complex. They encompass not only rich narratives involving gods, heroes, and creatures, but also profound philosophical reflections on existence, morality, and human nature. Myths often address serious themes such as creation, death, love, betrayal, and cosmic order, which are far removed from the simplistic moral lessons found in typical children's fairy tales. Examples. The Greek myth of Prometheus explores the themes of defiance against divine authority and the complicated relationship between humanity and knowledge. The Sumerian epic of Gilgamesh, one of the earliest known literary works, deals with friendship, the human condition, and the quest for immortality. Mythology as outdated and irrelevant. Misconception. Some assume that mythology is a relic of the past, lacking relevance in our modern scientific age. Reality. This view overlooks the profound influence of mythology on contemporary culture, literature, psychology, and humanity's understanding of itself. Mythological themes, such as the hero's journey, transformation, and moral dilemmas, remain deeply ingrained in modern narratives, from movies and literature to advertising and psychological theories. Examples. Superheroes in comics and films often embody mythological archetypes. For instance, Superman can be likened to Hercules, while Wonder Woman reflects the attributes of ancient warrior goddesses. These characters draw from age-old narratives, reiterating mythical themes of heroism, sacrifice, and justice. Philosophical discussions frequently return to mythological ideas to explore questions about existence, ethics, and the human condition. For example, Joseph Campbell's discussions of the hero's journey influence contemporary storytelling and self-understanding. Universal themes and archetypes. Misconception. Another misconception is that myths are unique to their culture and fail to communicate universal themes shared across different societies. Reality. In fact, many myths reflect common themes and archetypes that resonate across cultures, demonstrating how intricately human experiences are interwoven, regardless of geographical or historical differences. Examples. The hero's journey, as studied by Campbell, appears in numerous cultures, from the adventures of Odysseus in ancient Greece to the modern saga of Luke Skywalker in Star Wars. Blood myths can be found around the world. Think of Noah's Ark in the Abrahamic traditions, the Epic of Gilgamesh, and the Hindu myth of Manu. Each recounts a similar narrative of destruction and rebirth, speaking to shared human concerns about morality, survival, and renewal. Myths as historical and cultural documents. Misconception. A further misunderstanding is that myths are purely fictitious stories that can be dismissed as unimportant. Reality. Myths hold significant historical and cultural value, serving as windows into the beliefs, values, practices, and anxieties of ancient civilizations. They provide context to understand how societies grappled with existential questions and developed their worldviews. Examples. Egyptian myths, such as the story of Osiris, illustrate ancient Egyptian beliefs about death and the afterlife, highlighting their values surrounding morality and order, Ma'at, in society. The Norse myths regarding Ragnarok, the end of the world, reflect the cultural attitudes towards fate, fate's inevitability, and the honoring of warrior ethos that permeated Viking society. Recognizing that mythology is not mere children's tales or irrelevant relics allows us to appreciate its rich tapestry of themes, its enduring influence on culture, and its significant role in exploring foundational human experiences. Myths are intricate stories filled with symbolism and deep philosophical insights that offer valuable lessons on human nature and societal values. Far from being outdated, mythological themes and archetypes continue to resonate in modern storytelling, providing frameworks through which we understand heroism, morality, and identity. Myths serve as important historical documents, reflecting the values and beliefs of the civilizations that created them, and offering lessons that remain pertinent today.